That house was strange. At night, when the wind was strong, you could hear a lot of strange noises, like creepy whispers which could make you get chills. The neighbors avoided to walk around the house because they thought dark spirits inhabited and prowled their rooms. But the fact was that in the house just lived a young man. John was a good man. He didn't disturb or cause any incident with the neighbors, so everyone knew that John wasn't the person who caused all the strange noises.
Hi John, how are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking.
Well, you don't look well. Hot night?
Yes, I couldn't sleep well. Again, another fucking nightmare.
There's something I want to talk about you, but I don't want to bother you.
Don't worry, just tell me.
Well, the neighbors think there's something strange about your house, and I want to ask you if you believe that. Oh, sorry, John, I have to go.
Sarah, wait. What did you hear?
See you, John.
She's right. She'll sell the house.
But he couldn't stand it anymore. He decided to put the house on sale.
Who is it?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Apologize for the inconvenience. Are you the owner of this house?
That's right. How can I help you?
I'm Ernest Harmon and I want to buy the house. I was on my way. I saw the sale signal and I wanted to know right away if it is still on sale. I'm going to have a baby and my wife and I was searching for a big place where we can live peacefully.
Oh, congratulations. If you want, you can come in and look at the house. By the way, my name is John Smith.
My precious John, you have a lovely house and the neighborhood is perfect for the kids.
Yeah, thanks. Come in.
Actually, I don't have time. About what if you give me your data and the date you would like to move in?
Sure. Sarah, I'm glad to see you again before I move out.
Yeah, me too. I wish you the best luck in your new house.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, but by the way, what you wanted to tell me about the last time we met?
Well, I hear a strange story about your house. You knew that this house was a kindergarten?
No, I didn't, but I don't see the strange in that.
Well, it turned out that the headmistress had a very bad relationship with her husband because she wasn't able to give him a child, and her problems increased with the frustration of seeing children at school. Her husband began to suffer depression, and the tension in their marriage grew up.
What happened?
Well, they say that in a moment of anger, the husband tried to scare one of the children. When his wife intervened and saved the child, her husband gave her a terrible punch that broke her neck.
Do you know how many years have passed since that?
Well, about 30 years. But the myth says that the headmistress is still in search of a child and torment all the men that come here.
Well, that will explain many things.